With the exhaust valves open, the factory exhaust on the 2015 through 2019 GT350 might be the best sounding exhaust Ford has ever made. Well, today we're going to turn up the volume on that sound with an MBRP Resonator Delete X-Pipe. This is MBRP's XP Series Resonator Delete X-Pipe fitting your 2015 through 2019 GT350. It's made of 3-inch 409 stainless steel with mandrel bends, and it'll be a direct replacement for your regular resonator assembly found on the GT350. Now, will require cutting, but it's going to give you a sound much like the GT350R when it's finished. Now, before we get to the installation, we're going to give you some beforehand sounds. We'll start with the valve closed. Now we'll open it up. Said sounds amazing stock, but the MBRP should give us a lot more volume. Let's get to the install. For this installation, with a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, 15mm socket, hammer, chisel or flat blade screwdriver, metal cutting pliers, sawzall, file, tape measure, marker, and safety glasses. Okay, to begin the installation, you will have to cut right in this area to install it. Now, there is a heat shield in the way, so what we're going to do is cut the clamp off for the heat shield. Then once we drop the exhaust, we'll work the shield off out of the way. If you want to, you could cut straight through it. I think it's easier to remove it first. All right, now we're going to unbolt these clamps up here where the front pipes connect to the factory resonator. Now pop these little tabs out so we can slide these back and separate the pipe. Before we can cut, we do have to get this heat shield off. We have a little more room now, but there is a spot weld right at the top. So the best thing to do is to get a hammer or a chisel of some sort and just work it off. Okay, now we're ready to start measuring. You want to make sure you put the resonator up into place. The end of the tips here come down slightly. So you want to line it up with the very front. Make sure it's flush. And then we're going to mark where the pipe is back here. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that line we just made. Grab your tape measure, line it up, and you go 2.5 inches forward. That's actually where we're going to cut. Okay, now we're ready to cut. Okay, now we're just going to file, clean up the cuts. All right, now grab your X-Pipe, put the factory clamps on the front and the aftermarket ones on the back. I'm going to slide it up into place. Okay, get everything in place and tighten it down. And your installation is finished. Okay, our MBRP resonator pipe fits great. It's definitely lighter, but let's hear how it sounds. Now that's with the valves closed. Sounds better already. Now let's open up the valve. That sounds killer. It's the same tone as before, just a little more volume. While the factory exhaust sounded great, the addition of the MBRP X-Pipe, in my opinion, made it absolutely perfect. The tone stayed the same, but we have more volume and it sounds a lot more aggressive when you're driving it. As far as the installation goes, it's pretty straightforward. You do have to cut, but figure about an hour to an hour and a half, be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.